Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie and today's video is going to be a workout video. We're going to work out the back portion of our bodies. So what we're going to do is we're going to work out the glutes, we're going to work out the back muscles, we're going to do a little bit of quads and do some core because core is important for everything. So let's get started. The first workout we're going to do is the bridge. And so this is going to be in a circuit form. I'm going to do the workout once and then you could just repeat it however many times you want to do the set. So it's going to be 5 different workouts and we're going to start right now. The first one is the bridge. You're going to lay down, have your feet hip width apart. You're going to bring up your hips, slowly exhale, squeeze your glutes and bring it down. If you feel like you have knee pain, you can either bring your feet out a little bit more or spread your legs or bring them in a tiny bit. But you don't want to go touching. So here, you're going to bring your hips up and you're going to do this for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here you're going to go into a rocket ship. These names are funny. I didn't invent them. You're going to make sure your shoulders are down, your head is neutral, your feet are pointing, your palms are facing up, and you're going to exhale. Bring your hands and your feet off the floor, bring your knees off the floor, bring your chest off the floor, and keep your head neutral. You're going to hold it and bring it down. Exhale. Again, make sure the shoulders are down. You're squeezing your glutes. Feel it in your lower back. Feel it in your mid back. The next workout is going to be a lunge, so you're only going to see my bottom half, and if you need support, you could also use anything around you to give you some support. You're going to, the easiest way, I think, to find your position is have your knee directly under your hip, have your toes touching the floor, the front leg is going to be 90 degrees, and you're going to have your front leg and your back leg squared. You're not going to bring it in front of the other leg. You're going to have it in front of your hip. Use something to support you with. Squeeze your glutes, fire your quads, and bring it up. Come down and up. Going to do this 10 times. Switch. Bring it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, The next workout is almost like the rocket ship, but you're going to have your hands right next to your face, palms down. Your feet are going to be pointing, your face on the mat. You're going to bring your chest up, keeping your feet on the floor, hands off the floor. Reach up to the top of your head, bring it back, elbows bent towards your glutes, and bring it back down. So again, hands, palms down on the floor. You're going to lift your chest up, palms off the floor, elbows off the floor, reach overhead, squeeze back, back down. Do that 8 more times. Bring it back, up, back down. Bring it back, up, down, squeeze. We've done 4 workouts so far. We have 1 more workout to do, and then we're going to have 3 ab workouts. So the last workout that you're going to have on your circuit is going to be a kickback. This is going to work out your glutes. You're going to have your hands directly under your shoulders, your head in a neutral position, your knees directly under your hips. Your feet are going to be not pointing, but toes curled up, pointing up, flex. You see how they are. Now you're going to lift your leg, squeeze your glute, and bring your foot up to the sky, 1 leg. Exhale, make sure your core is nice and tight. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Really squeeze your glutes. 4, 5, 6. Keep your core tight. Don't let your shoulders drop. Now we're going to work out the core. You're going to put your ankle on your knee, whichever one you want. I'm starting with my right ankle on my left knee. You're going to bring your left toes towards the ceiling. Make sure your pelvis is tucked to not have any space on your back and the floor. You're going to squeeze your abs. Exhale on the way up, lift your foot, knee towards your face, and bring it back down. Exhale. You're going to switch. Now it's the left ankle on the right knee. You're going to point your right toes towards the ceiling. You're going to brace your abs, tuck the pelvis, make sure there's no space between the floor and your lower back. Exhale on the way up. Knee towards the face, back down. Notice there's still no space between the floor and my lower back as I go down. workout, toe touch. You're going to bring your feet towards the ceiling, straighten out your legs, and reach towards your toes. Exhale. Next workout, side hip ups. You're going to have your elbow directly under your shoulder. You're going to have either your top leg forward and your bottom leg back, or to make it more difficult, have both feet together. You're going to lift up your hips. You can either put your hand on your bottom oblique or have your hand on your hip. I like feeling my bottom oblique working, so we're going to lift up the hips. Exhale, squeeze, bring it down. Do that 10 times, bring up the hips. Switch sides. Elbow directly under your shoulder. Top leg to the front, bottom leg to the back. You're going to have your hand on your hip or your hand on your opposite oblique. You're going to push your hips up, squeeze your core, exhale. Keep the shoulder down. And that's it for the workout. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in trucking or fitness. And I'll see you next time. Bye.